Iran set 60-day deadline for nuclear deal revision. Iran prepared to resume enriching uranium within days. We won't let Iran to get nuclear weapons, Israeli Prime Minister. Assad regime breaches truce, retakes towns in North Syria. Turkish and Russian foreign minister discuss Syria. After 2-day lull, clashes resume near Libyan capital. Proposed Libya ceasefire would empower Haftar. At least 35 Houthis killed in clashes with Yemeni army. Sudan opposition threatens wave of civil and disobedience. 8 killed, 25 injured in Lahore suicide bombing. Pakistan, Christian woman Aisha Bibi leaves country. No extension for Assam citizen list, India's top court.